A rogue rocket booster could collide with the Moon in the next few weeks, according to space experts, an event that could leave a crater on the far side of the Moon. The SpaceX Falcon rocket stage was used in 2015 to launch the U.S. Deep Space Climate Observatory, or DSCOVR, and has been floating around in the outer part of the Earth-Moon system ever since. Bill Gray, an independent researcher focused on orbital dynamics who was the first to publicize the imminent collision, said by his calculations the rocket part would hit the Moon a bit north of its equator, within a minute of 7:26 a.m. Eastern Time on March 4. The way the object is moving makes it difficult to pinpoint the exact location, he added, although it is likely to change only by a few kilometers. Right now, we can't get more data because the object is quite close to the Sun in the sky. On February 7 and 8, we'll have a brief opportunity to look at it and we'll get more data, and the above time and location will be better determined, Gray said via email. NASA shared a statement Thursday about tracking the object. NASA is monitoring the trajectory of a SpaceX Falcon 9 second stage, which supported the U.S. Air Force, now U.S. Space Force, launch of the Deep Space Climate Observatory, DSCOVR, mission in 2015, said Karen Fox, Senior Science Communications Officer for NASA. That mission is a partnership between NASA, NOAA, and the U.S. Space Force. After completing its flight, the second stage was put in its intended Earth escape, heliocentric disposal orbit, Fox added. On its current trajectory, the second stage is expected to impact the far side of the Moon on March 4, 2022. While spacecraft are sometimes intentionally crashed on the Moon at the end of a lunar mission, for example, space debris randomly hitting the Moon is uncommon, said Holger Krag, head of the European Space Agency's Space Debris Office. It is safer for the rocket stage, which is 15 meters (49 feet) long, to crash on the Moon than make an uncontrolled entry into Earth's atmosphere, Krag said. The rocket booster is thought to weigh between 3 and 4 tons. The stage would be permanently disposed. From a safety point of view, this is actually the safest way of disposing it. Leaving it drifting around an orbit around the Sun does not provide assurance that it will not be captured again by Earth one day, he said. Managing the return of the stage to re-enter the atmosphere in a controlled and safe way is extremely complex. Disposal on the lunar surface is still the safest.